Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace hood latch. Stay with us and we're going to cover that. Not very complicated guys to remove and replace your hood latch. Some of those latches, they quit functioning. Sometimes they even have a sensor. Not all models, but most of them have a sensor that detects if the hood is open or closed. And if you guys get a message that the hood is open when it's actually closed, stay with us and we'll explain guys, okay, what is causing that and how to fix it. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this Ford Focus MK3 and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now guys. So, if you guys need to buy a new hood latch or any parts to use, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. You can get parts for a super good price, fast shipping, so check it out guys. So once you open the hood guys, this is your hood latch. We're missing the radiators because we're making a video for radiator replacement, so check it out if you need to guys. Right here is the connector for detecting if the hood is open or closed. You push down, okay, you press in actually, you press in right here and you pull it out guys. So not all models will have that wire, some will do, some will not. Now we need to disconnect the cables here. So how you do that? Okay, you come in an angle like that and you push them out. It's very important to reconnect them before you close your hood, or otherwise you may not be able to reopen it. Just pry them up, they come out of the holders. Now 10mm socket guys, and we need to remove two bolts there, 2 screws, and we should be able, okay, to pull it out. Okay, perfect. This is a screw guys, it's not a bolt, that's why it takes forever, because they just bolt in the plastic. Screw in the plastic, I guess the correct thing to say. Now grab it guys, pull it out. It is stuck there, okay, but it comes out, and this is guys your hood latch, and this is where your micro switch is located, where it detects if the hood is open or closed. So that's how you guys do it. If you need to replace the micro switch on, it's replaceable. We have the video on the channel, not very complicated. Okay, you just need to pry it up right here, pry it out and pull it up. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.